Hi guys, I am Komal. Welcome back to my channel. Festive season is just around the corner in India. There's Dussehra coming up in 2 days. Then there's Diwali, which is the biggest festival of the year. It is one day when all of us want to dress up and look our best. So today I'll be listing down all the products that you need in your makeup kit for a flawless festive look. If you guys want to know what these products are, then please keep on watching. Let's get started. So beginning with the makeup order, the first thing that goes onto your face after you've applied your moisturizer is a primer. Now I know that many of us do not consider a primer to be a makeup essential, but festive season means late nights, a lot of photos with friends and family, so you most definitely need a primer to give you a smooth base, to hide all your pores, to keep your makeup long lasting so you do not have to worry about touching up again and again. There are three options for primer. The first one is the POREfessional by Benefit. Now this is my most used primer. It is oil free, lightweight, translucent. It has a very silky texture. I absolutely love this one. My second pick is by L'Oreal. It is the Base Magic Transforming Smoothing Primer. And the third one is by Inglot. It is the Under Makeup Base. You can pick and choose whichever one you like. Moving on to foundation. If you want flawless clear skin, then do choose a medium to full coverage kind of a foundation. And if you are blessed with a flawless skin, then you can go in for the good old BB or CC cream according to your skin type. My picks for foundation are my all-time favorites. The first one is by Maybelline. It is the Matte Poreless Fit Me Foundation. I am in the shade 230 Natural Buff. And the second foundation I have is the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Foundation. My shade in this is 120 Vanilla. After foundation comes concealer. I don't think any of my makeup look is complete without a concealer, as I have dark circles. So my current favorite is by NYX. It is the Gotcha Covered Concealer in the shade Beige. After the concealer, you're done with your base makeup, and if you are someone who gets oily skin, you will need a pressing powder or a powder foundation, for which I recommend Lakme 9 to 5 powder foundation. But if you are like me, who prefers a dewy and glowy look for the festive season, you can completely skip on the powder and straight move on to the blush. For me, festivals are all about shimmery, glowy makeup, and a pink blush according to me really complements the festive look. I have two options for you guys. The first one is by Miss Claire in the shade 32. And the second one I have is the Calabar Luminous Rouge Blush 001. Now coming to the eyes, my first makeup essential is a kajal or a kohl pencil. I use the one by L'Oreal. It is their Magic Gold Pencil in the shade Black. I also sometimes use this as my eyeliner, and if you want to go overly dramatic and do a wing liner, then I recommend using the They Are Real Push Up Liner by Benefit. Coming to eyeshadow, now since it is a festive makeup must-have, I have picked out only glittery and shimmery eyeshadows because that is what I prefer for the festive season. So my first recommendation is Makeup Revolution's Fortune Favors the Brave palette. If you do not want to invest in a palette, you can go in for eyeshadow singles. Here I have two single eyeshadow pots by Miss Claire. One is a glittery blue color and another one is a glittery black color. Or you can also buy the Faces Ultime Pro eyeshadow crayon. This is really easy to apply and it has really nice shades. The one that I have is in the shade Dancing Queen. So yeah, you can either go in for a palette or you can go in for these eyeshadow singles, or you can also buy an eyeshadow crayon. After this, you definitely need mascara to complete your eye look. So I have two picks today. Both are by Maybelline. The first one is the Maybelline Colossal Kajal and the second one is its Lash Sensational. I use the waterproof one. So yeah, these two are my favorite mascaras for this festive season. So moving on to the last makeup category is a lipstick. You can obviously choose a lip gloss, but that is just not for me. For me, it's always a lipstick, and I usually go in for a deep red lip. But I am showing you different color options as well because I know that not everybody loves wearing a bold red lip. First pick is by Inglot. It is the HD lip tint in the shade 12. If you are someone who prefers wearing a nude lip on your festive makeup, then I recommend using Meher by MAC. It is my all-time favorite nude lip color. Moving on, if you are someone who loves wearing deeper shades, then I recommend using Raving Raisin, which is by Wet n Wild. It is a nice deep plum shade. And for all the pink lovers, I have L'Oreal's Lincoln Rose. It is a nice reddish pink color which goes perfectly with the traditional Indian look. So that completes my festive makeup must-haves. If you guys like the video, then do not forget to hit the like button below. Also subscribe to my channel, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.